Well, the 5-year forward view sets out the vision for the NHS in the future, and in London we came together and asked Lord Darcy to do a review, and we produced Better Health for London. Since then, we've been working together to take forward the transformation.
There's no doubt to my mind that the Health Commission from last year has had a huge impact, and the potential to help Londoners change their lives for the better is really there, and it's an opportunity we've got to grasp.
What's been achieved today through the strategy is real good engagement on a number of programmes. The time is right for Better Health for London.
We're a growing city. We're growing at 75,000 people a year. We're building 40,000 new homes a year. The time is right to make sure that it's healthy for everybody.
It can be quite a stressful, busy city to live in.
Fast food's obviously a lot cheaper than healthy food, so it's the easier option for people who don't have the money.
If you're poor and you're disabled, it's not as healthy as it could be.
You have access to public transport, you can jump in a cab to get to work, you can jump on the bus. So I think there's no incentive to want to walk anywhere.
I think people work hard here, they work long hours, they don't always get the time to do the exercise they need.
Not as healthy as it could be. I'd like it to be healthier.
There's so many healthy fast food outlets that you can choose from.
There's good access to employment, and that means people are healthier when they're working.
We have a huge number of green spaces and of course lots of opportunities for cycling.
I don't think it's any more healthy or any less healthy than any other city. I think it's more to do with you as a person.
It depends on your choice.
I think that there's a lot of variation depending on where you live in London.
I think we've got pockets of real activity around promoting health, but it's not consistent across London in any way.
Reduce emissions from cars and public buses and other vehicles.
Add more walking commute routes, because there's lots for cars but not enough for people.
Encouraging people to take lunch breaks, go for a little walk.
Get off the tube one stop earlier and walk a bit further.
I suppose if it was safer to ride bicycles, that would probably get a lot more people on them.
Campaigns to encourage people to take part in sporting events.
I would like to see more focus on mental health services.
Mental health is really important, and so the more real community connections you can have, the better.
To be friendlier, it helps around our emotional and mental well-being, and that's really important.
I'd encourage all schools to be healthier places.
It's about keeping kids active, it's about kids understanding what their health is about at that age. Giving kids the best start in life is the best thing that we could do as a city.
The biggest cause of ill health in London, sadly, is smoking.
If they could create some smoke-free zones, that could make London feel like a healthier place.
Fast food outlets needs to be controlled.
We need to make eating healthily the easy option in this city. At the moment, eating unhealthily is the easy option.
You can substitute various fruits for chocolate, and I think the incentive is in the person themselves to actually want to be healthier.
Smile a lot more and say hello to people a lot more.
So I pledge to take the stairs up to the 4th floor of my office every single day.
I'm walking, 20 minutes start and the end of every day.
So I'm going to try and start with small steps, maybe swap 1 cup of coffee for a glass of water every day.
So I love, after a bit of exercise, sitting down and just reflecting.
I do cross country. I do lots of sports basically.
So I'm going to reduce my salt intake.
I do boxercise at the moment, so I'd like to do a little bit more of that. On Friday we decided at home we are no longer going to cook meat.
Doing a lot more cooking with my kids this year and teaching them the benefits of a healthy diet.
I'm trying really hard to do more steps per day.
Cut down on the desserts and less sweet food.
I've started running.
I try to remain calm in London.
I walk back from London Bridge to King's Cross 3 times a week.
Climbing mountains at work. Climb the stairs every day. We have a mountain on the wall, put a green dot on. We're aiming to climb Everest.
I need to do more about making sure I have a positive work-life balance and encouraging that in others.
I eat no processed food. I drink no sugary drinks. I feel bloody well.